Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect iPhone iVCam to your PC using a USB cable. First, open the App Store and install the iVCam app on your iPhone. Then open the app and complete the initial setup. Next, go to your PC, open your browser, search for iVCam and visit the official website. Then download the iVCam PC client and install it. But don't open it yet. So uninstall it because iVCam does not work properly with the Microsoft Store version of iTunes. After uninstalling it, search for iTunes in your browser and open the download page. Then scroll down and click on previous version. Then download the desktop version of iTunes. Once the download is complete, install iTunes and open it. If you see an error like this, go to your user profile, open the music folder, then open the iTunes folder and delete the iTunes library file. Now reopen iTunes and connect your iPhone to your PC using a USB cable. Also skip the update prompts and complete the setup. Then your iPhone should be now detected. Finally, open the iVCam and allow camera and microphone permission on your iPhone. After that, you should see that iVCam is working through USB. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.